I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting full administrative control. Sign into an administrator account or boot into Windows Recovery Environment and open an elevated command prompt. Once done, identify the drive letter that contains the System Volume Information folder so you target the correct volume. Make sure to disable third-party backup tools momentarily. They can lock files. You will perform operations that change ownership and permissions, so double-check the drive letter and confirm you have a recent backup elsewhere before you continue. You now take ownership and repair the folder. Run takeown/f(x) /system volume information /r/dy and then icackles x /system volume information /grant administrators f/t to reset permissions. Replace x with your drive letter. Next, run chkdsk x /f/r to fix file system errors. Allow it to run at reboot if prompted because locked files require restart. After chkdsk, list VSS snapshots with vsadmin list shadows and remove corrupted ones with vsadmin delete shadows /for x /all if necessary. Finish by restarting Windows and confirming the System Volume Information folder is accessible only to system and administrators, and that volume shadow copy service is running normally. If VSS still fails, re-register VSS DLLs or run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair system components. Then repeat VSS checks. If things go wrong, check Event Viewer under Application and System for VSS or disk-related errors. This single log entry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.